Minister wa thothaiti Simon Chelugui niareganite na riboti iria cirakuruhania faini ndito na kiho kuri hustler aria mekuremerwo ni kuriha ngombo cia Hustler Fund. Akiaria na andiki a mohoro, Chelugui augite faini ya nginyagia ciringi mirioni 10 na kiho kia miaka 5 kana cieri irongoreiirie maabitha a thirikari aria megwikuruhania na ungumania wa ngombo eno.
We have seen media reports claiming that loan defaulters will be fined up to Kenya shillings 10 million. There is no such a thing. The penalties outlined in the regulations, which is the normal BFM regulations, target fund officials who may embezzle or misappropriate or misapply the funds.
Agiaria makoreirwo maitho ni faini na kieho ni turia nime twa nenda-ini turia tungikorwo na itanya ria kuhenia na kuiya kuma kuri a Kenya.
Also targets those who may create fake websites and links and mislead members of the public to lying to them and ending up defrauding them. This is where the penalty applies.
Na riria Kenya mathiete na mbere na guteta kumana na unyihu wa kigina giki, Chelugui oigite muoroto wao ni gukinyira hustler aria matagikombithio ni mabengi na ikundi ingi cia kuheana mbeca.
The money is too little. I think, as we say, every household counts, every coin counts. I know of people in this town or in Kenya who borrow even 100 shillings, who borrow money to do fish frying. They are involved in shoemaking, they are hawking, they are selling groceries, and they want to move from hawking to a mini shop, from a mini shop to a grocery, from a grocery to a supermarket.
Chelugui ringi ni ongeire kuga kioneki kia ngombo eno ni guthondeka mieke ya mawira, akiuga makiria ma Kenya milioni 3.5 matire na mawira.
Dealing with unemployment as a country which is gone to almost 7.4%, and that is a social challenge that we need to deal with. And if we open up and increase the loans and funds available for entrepreneurship, we will be able to lower the unemployment in our country.
Ngombo eno ya ciringi 500 nginyagia ciringi 50,000 kuringana na President William Ruto ikaambiria kuheanwo kuma Dithemba mweri twerekeire kugerera nenda cia ukinyaniria.
We have carried out a survey, and across the 7 million Kenyans who are in that field, over 70% of them are borrowing between 700 shillings and 2,000 shillings. And those statistics can be obtained. And so by pushing the numbers from 500 to 50,000 is quite a generous offer to the people who are operating at that level.
Girifotera Kameme TV, Jeta Getau wa Wajiko.